Let's start off our first lesson by going over the basic layout of the ShoreTel Communicator. The first thing we're going to cover is the ShoreTel icon. The ShoreTel icon is a shortcut to all of the options available in the ShoreTel Communicator. Another option is to use the drop-down options in the menu bar, which consists of Windows, Dial, Call, Tools, View, and Help. The Windows menu gives you a list of windows that will be shown in the bottom half of the ShoreTel Communicator. We will discuss these windows more towards the end of this tutorial. The Dial menu gives you a list of options to initiate a call, such as making a call, dialing a mailbox, and using the intercom. The Call menu gives you a list of options to manage calls currently in progress. The Tools menu allows you to access user customizable options to personalize your communicator and extensions options. The View menu is an important one. The View menu gives you the ability to dock the communicator to the top, bottom, or sides of the screens and keep it viewable at all times while you work in other programs on your computer. The Help menu contains a link to the index. If you ever forget how to perform a particular feature, you can always click the index, which will allow you to search for features such as transferring a call. You will then be presented with a step-by-step instruction on how to perform that feature. The second menu bar contains three options: the Home button, which we'll explain in a moment, the Standard button, which is our call handling modes, and the Windows button, which is the same as the Windows menu we just discussed. Getting back to the Home button, Home is considered the extension that you would normally sit at in your office. The ShoreTel system allows users the ability to work remotely. If you notice here, I can have Office Anywhere allow me to receive calls when I'm working out of the office. For more information on Office Anywhere, please see Lesson 6. Our next field is the Call Handling Modes menu. The ShoreTel system provides each user 5 customizable call handling modes. These modes are Standard, In a Meeting, Out of Office, Extended Absence, and Custom. At the bottom is the option to configure these modes as you would like them to function. By default, the Standard mode rings your desk 3 times and then will route to voicemail. All other modes will ring directly to voicemail and play a greeting specific to the call handling mode that you are in. On the right of this menu bar, you will notice a dial pad and a phone icon. The phone icon shows whether your phone is idle or in use. If you ever see this icon change to a red X, it is important to contact your system administrator or us here at Sonoran Integrations, as that means your communicator is not working properly. Below the second menu bar, you will see a window that says Enter a Name or Number. This window is called the Quick Dialer and is where you will do most of your work in making calls. This field allows you to enter in either the first or last name of a user in your directory, a contact imported from your Outlook contacts, or you can just manually enter in the telephone number of someone you wish to call. The field just below the Quick Dialer is where the calls will appear once they are active. Below the Active Calls window is where you see the windows selected from the first or second menu bars that we discussed earlier. So if I want to view my voicemail, I would select Voicemail. I can also view the system directory, my call history, and any speed dials that are configured. This concludes Lesson 1, Introduction to the ShoreTel Communicator. For more information, you can view our other video tutorials. You can also download our user guides at www.sonoranintegrations.com/docs.html.